taga Manila ka?
Doon ako nag-high school, Tatondo, sa may...
Graduate ng Espiritu and then nag-UST Fine Arts siya. So now, yan yung kanyang mga ginagawa. Yung mga makikita mo sa Manila. Kung nalaman kung taga Blooming Treat, Batangas area ka, may ginawa kasi yung anak ko na Blooming Treat din. Makikita mo yon yung Blooming Treat Market, Blooming Treat sa...
Obrero. Prito ko doon yung longganisa ni Jun.
Ah,
bigoteng maputi. Doon sa... Pagpasok ko doon sa ilalim ng obrero.
Sa ilalim ng obrero.
LQ yung taas doon. Sa baba, may karnihan yan eh. Baka. Nagtitinda ng baka doon, tsaka yung longganisa niya masarap.
Farmers, subscribe mo ko dito.
Ay, sure. I-promote natin ito sa vlog.
Pero naka-subscribe na kami sa iyo.
Gawa ko to kasi DIY sa akin. Ito po pang gano'n na set.
Ayan!
Oo, sa gabi. Standard sa gabi mo na lang.
Ay, teka, mag-vlog na tayo. mclaur
DIY.
DIY. Ayan po. Binigyan tayo. Cellphone holder ito. Ayan. Thank you po. Ingat kayo, ingat.
Sige po.
Masantol naman po sila.
Kakain na tayo ng lechon na
Okay na
masarap.
po, okay na.
Okay na.
Salamat.
Our Philippine lechon is a culinary specialty loved and craved by many for its distinct flavor. It gained 29th place in the world rankings, a recognition from Taste Atlas in May 2024 of the best 100 pork dishes in Southeast Asia. And another fact about our lechon, world-famous chef Anthony Bourdain was quoted as saying, "The best pig ever," when he tasted lechon in Cebu City in 2008. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us on this out-of-town food trip at Kafarmers Lechon House in San Juan Bano, Arayat, Pampanga. One may ask what's for lunch at the Kafarmers Lechon House. With the mouth-watering lechon in mind, the less than 2-hour road trip makes us hungrier by the minute. While on our way, we pass through the seemingly endless road with the beautiful Mount Arayat in clear view, which makes us more excited to reach our destination. When we arrived, we were greeted by the gracious owners, Mr. Engelbert Sardeno and his wife, who were hands-on with the day-to-day operation of the Lechon House and Farm. In our small conversation, Mr. Sardeno related how he acquired the farm and believed that with God's grace and blessing, he was able to build a house and a small restaurant with the needed facilities. His perseverance paid off despite the disruptive challenges brought about by the pandemic. His lechon business survived and flourished with old and new clientele. His YouTube channel KaFarmer is also known far and wide with followers here and abroad. The menu at KaFarmers Lechon House mainly focuses on the famous lechon, which is sold by the kilo. Other choices are Lechon Sisig, Lechon Paksiw, and Lechon Sinigang, which are good for sharing, alongside Pinakbet and Kilawin and a couple of desserts. The perfectly seasoned lechon has crispy skin and tender, juicy meat. We indulge ourselves with a hot serving of the flavorful Lechon Sinigang, a mildly soured broth that suits our tastes. We also savored their version of pinakbet for a well-balanced meal. As much as we enjoyed the food at Kafarmers Lechon House, we also enjoyed the alfresco dining area and the full view of the verdant greens of beautiful Mount Arayat, which serves as the perfect backdrop for a comforting and relaxing meal experience like no other. Foodies from all walks of life, young and old, local and foreign tourists, gather here to feast on the roasted lechon amid the beautiful scenery, the welcoming attention of the owners, and the past service of their courteous staff. An out-of-town dining place that is worth visiting. Kafarmers Food House is open for walk-in, dine-in, take-out, and delivery on Saturdays and Sundays from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. For orders and dining inquiries, message or call 0951 168 4254.
Mahalapit ang puso ko dito dahil Espiritu Santo. Saan pa ako nag-high school?
Shout out to sa mga anak kong taga Espiritu Santo. Shout out din sa mga taga Fortune 5, sa Arceo family, sa mga kapatid ko ron. We'll see you on our next food trip. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.